guys, welcome back to today's video. So today I'm going to be doing another PR unboxing. If you guys watch my videos, you know I just save up literally all my packages and I like to open them with you guys on camera. I just think it's fun. It's something that we can do together, and I have some cool stuff. I think I have really affordable stuff, and then half the stuff I don't know what it is. So we're gonna see what's inside these packages, and I'm just literally sitting on the floor of my living room because it's just easier. I have more space to open everything and move around. I always like to switch up my locations just to keep it fresh and exciting. So let's get on into it. If you guys have not subscribed yet to my channel, I hope you will. It's the button down below, that red button. I also have it linked in my description to subscribe, and tap that notification bell so you guys do not miss out on future videos. And without further ado, let's get on into the unboxing. And Derma E has been insanely kind, sending me so many amazing goodies, and it's really cool because I am always reaching for my Derma E products when I do my skincare because I have so much of it, and they're available at Ulta. You can get them on the Derma E website, and I love their products because they are a more natural brand, and that's been something that's really important to me. So let's see what's inside. I try as best as I can to keep my skincare ingredients clean. Obviously it doesn't always happen, but for the most part I try to. It's really hard to avoid like fragrance in skincare, and everyone's different. Everyone's skin is going to react different to different things. But anywho, now I'm just rambling. You're like, Kim, please just open up the package and stop being a kiakinon. So this is the Derma E anniversary celebration. The Derma E anniversary celebration. It says they were founded in 1984, which I did not even know that. That is so cool. It says we got our start in a small Southern California health food store, and our first product was the Vitamin E 12,000 IU cream. And that is so cool. Oh, I love it. It says our purpose is fulfilled. We can help the environment, animals, and people. So I'm hoping that vitamin C product is going to be in here. I actually haven't tried that from them, which is shocking because I feel like I have their whole line. Super cute little tote bag. The vitamin C concentrated serum. I love their vitamin C line, and I use their acne products literally like every night. The salicylic acid. This is cool. It's the vitamin C daily brightening cleanser. We also have the, oh, here it is, the Vitamin E 12,000 IU cream. Okay, cool. So I have never tried this before, but I actually heard from a influencer I follow. She's not like a typical influencer. She does a lot of like natural stuff, and she was talking about how when she goes out in the sun, she'll put like sunscreen on, and she'll put a vitamin E cream on as well, and I was super interested in that. So it says it's our first formula. This multi-purpose daily face and body moisturizer quickly absorbs to help replenish lost moisture. I'm super excited to try this out. And then I think there's one more thing in here. Oh, okay, cool. This is the Vitamin E Skin Oil 14,000 IU. It's fragrance-free, hypoallergenic to repair, renew, and condition. Vitamin E, it's 2 ingredients, vitamin E and safflower seed oil. I love things like this with minimal ingredients because I can use it for multiple things. I can use it when I make different hair masks and stuff like that. I do a lot of DIYs. I like making my own products and masks and for hair and skin. So this is really cool, and I use vitamin E a lot in like DIY hair care. So this is awesome. Thank you so much to Derma E on their 37th anniversary. You guys check them out. I honestly genuinely love and use their products. Okay guys, next up is a package from a new brand. I don't know if I've mentioned it to you guys before. Maybe I have. I mentioned it on my social media. This is called Root to End, and they're actually an affordable hair care brand at Dollar General. So I actually do a bunch of Dollar General videos on my channel. If you follow me, y'all know I love the dollar store. They came up with this new line. It's actually made by the same people who make the makeup line Believe Beauty, which I love, and I think you guys love Believe Beauty too. Their stuff is awesome. So it is a high quality but low priced hair care brand. So I've been using their stuff. I don't know if this is like something new that they came out with. I mentioned this, but they did send me a PR package maybe like a month ago. Oh, this is so cute. It says Happy National Best Friends Day from Root to End and Believe Beauty. So like I was saying, they are sister brands, which is really cute. So this is, okay, I have this one, so I'll probably end up putting this in a giveaway, the Extra Hold Hairspray. And here's what the packaging looks like if you guys want to go check it out at your Dollar General. They are available there. I did a shop with me, and the whole line is there. It's really cool, and the packaging is so nice. Very like chic and high-end looking. So this is the volumizing shampoo and conditioner. I have the other one. I don't have this one, so this is nice. I'm excited to try these. So here we go. These are SLS and SLES free, and it says they're cruelty-free and vegan, which is great. No parabens, phthalates, or silicones. Very great brand. I have used the shampoo and conditioner, and I really like it, you guys. Highly recommend checking it out. And let's see what came from Believe Beauty in this cute little Believe Beauty pouch. We have, oh, okay, we have two cute things in here. Oh, I'm so excited. I wanted to try this. The I can't say it. Voluminize Waterproof Mascara in Black. I showed this on the shop with me that I did there at Dollar General, and I really wanted to try this. And also, I already own this, so this will be a giveaway item. The Pretty and Prime Color Correcting Primer. This is a great one too. So thank you so much to Believe Beauty and Root to End. I am so excited about these products. I definitely recommend both of those brands if you guys are looking for affordable hair care. They also have a dry shampoo I like. They have a curl cream. I haven't tried that yet, but go to Dollar General and check it out. Okay, we have more boxes to open here. This next package is from a brand called Replenix. This is a newer brand to me, but I have just started to use their stuff. I've been using their vitamin C serum. So let's see what's inside this box. Don't mind my crazy hair. I just showered, so it's like air drying right now, and it's, as the video goes on, I feel like it's poofing out more and more, so you guys are witnessing the craziness of my hair. Ooh, we have, looks like a whole sunscreen line, so I'm very excited about this. This is the Replenix Soothing Mineral Sunscreen Spray. It has medical grade ingredients. I've never seen this before, like a medical grade sunscreen. Aloe vera, honeysuckle, aspen, tree bark, vitamin E, and green tea. It has UVA and UVB protection. So check it out, you guys. I have to see where their products are sold. I think it may just be an online brand. Link their website for you guys because I know they're not as well known, so if you want to see their website, their products are really good. It says it's recommended by over 4,000 dermatologists. They are medical grade with antioxidants. They're lightweight yet broad spectrum and fight against free radical damage. So I'm really happy because I wanted a sunscreen spray for the beach and the pool if I ever go to a pool. This is the hydrating antioxidant sunscreen with SPF 50. I guess this is just like the lotion version. So this actually has hyaluronic acid, green tea, squalane, and caffeine. That is so interesting. Cruelty-free, fragrance-free, and gluten-free. So cool. I'm not sure if it's reef safe. It doesn't say if that is important to you. Okay, then we also have the tinted oil-free face sunscreen, and this actually, I can't use this one because it has niacinamide, unfortunately, but it has niacinamide, vitamin B5, E, hyaluronic acid, and caffeine. This looked like it was going to be really good, and I'm sure it will work for a lot of people. I have never seen before either a sunscreen like this that has those skincare ingredients in it, and I think that's really cool. So I'm very excited about this whole launch, and I will definitely be using these. I am a big sunscreen person, especially on my face, and I've been trying to be diligent about it on my body as well. This is actually tinted, which is really cool. I'm really sad I can't use this. If you guys don't know, I mention this all the time, but niacinamide gives me really, really bad like cystic acne anytime I use it. But I love tinted face sunscreens. They're like one of my current favorite things. So this one definitely looked like it was going to be promising, but I will put this in a giveaway. So thank you so much to Replenix for sending these over to me. I can never have enough good SPF. I go through SPF super quickly. Next up, I think this is from It Cosmetics, which is really fun. They have sent me one package before, and when they reached out to me, I was like, oh my goodness. I honestly was shocked because obviously IT Cosmetics is, you know, a famous brand. So I was like, what? Like, I couldn't believe it. I always get that just sense of shock whenever I get reached out to by a brand, and it's always just so amazing to me. I'm like, wait, they want to send me something? Like, it's still shocking to me. So thank you guys for you watching me and allowing me to have these opportunities to receive such wonderful products from these really awesome brands, and I'm so happy I get to share it with you. So they always send over in this really cute IT Cosmetics gift bag, which is great. I can actually reuse that for a present. What is inside? Looks like maybe skincare. We have, ooh, the Confidence in a Cream Moisturizing Super Cream full size. This is like one of their most famous products. And then the Hello Results Wrinkle Reducing Daily Retinol Serum in Cream with vitamin E and B5. This is so cool. It says it's co-developed with dermatologists and plastic surgeons. So I just checked the ingredients, and unfortunately both of these have niacinamide, so I won't be able to use them. Again, it's like so heartbreaking. There's a lot of products that I just can't use, but they'll go in a giveaway. So next up, I have a package from one of my favorite skincare brands. This is Dr. Zenovia. They specifically focus on hormonal acne. I use their products pretty much every day. I love them. So let's see what we have in here. We have one of my favorites, the Peptide and Moisturizer Ceramide Serum. I really like their products because they are very, what's the word? Like, there's nothing irritating in them. Like, they don't give me redness or burn my skin or break me out. They're just very gentle. That's the word. So this is artificial color free, no parabens, sulfates, mineral oil, no propylene glycol, reduced plastic, and recyclable. So you can get their products at Sephora. I also sent their 5% benzoyl peroxide acne spot treatment, which I also use this. It is very powerful. Like, you have to moisturize when you use this, but if you're looking to get rid of a pimple, like a whitehead, this will do it. It dries it out very quickly, and you will see like a peeling in your skin, but it does work. All right guys, I put my hair in pigtails because it was getting way too crazy. So let's move on to our next box, which is actually going to be from Avon. Looks like something summery, so let's dive into it. Kizzy is officially here to assist you. I don't know if you guys can see him, but he's sitting right in front of me. He just woke up from his nap and he is ready to unbox, right bud? Okay, we have more skincare. I think mostly skincare PR, more so skincare PR than makeup, so I'm always trying out new stuff. So this is their Fresh Squeeze Radiance. Lots of orange boxes in here. So we have the Vitamin C Overnight Radiant Mask. We have the Dry Body Oil. Ooh, let's open this up and take a peek, see. Oh, this is cool. I wonder if it actually smells like orange. Try it on my hands. Doesn't really, doesn't smell like oranges. Fragrance free. Okay, even better. It says this nourishing plant-based dry body oil with antioxidant vitamin C and E instantly hydrates and visibly brightens the skin, has sunflower seed and jojoba oils to help keep feeling skin supple, but it's not greasy. It actually really isn't. Like, at first when you put it on, you're like, oh, but it sinks so nicely into the skin. It has very, very minimal ingredients, so that is awesome. I love using a body oil in conjunction with a lotion. This is the, ooh, this is gonna be nice. This is the Illuminating Body Serum. It says it improves skin textures and boosts radiance, enriched with vitamin C and E. And this one has fragrance in it, and it has yellow 6 and yellow 5, which I wish it didn't. I've been trying to avoid the artificial dyes in my skincare. Yeah, that stinks because I thought this would be really nice. It's made in Korea. That's really cool. So it says it's free from parabens, phthalates, and mineral oil, but it does have the artificial dyes in it. Their Smoothing Lip Scrub. I love lip scrubs. I have so many of them, and I love them. This one says, I wonder if this one is fragrance free too. I don't know. It doesn't look like there's fragrance in here. So that's cool. And then we also have, ooh, an overnight lip mask. That is pretty awesome. This one, it says while you sleep, this conditioning mask treats lips with powerful antioxidant and vitamin C. Why can't I open this package? Okay. I'm always down to try an overnight lip mask. Vaguely has an orange scent, so I'm gonna try this out tonight with the lip scrub and see how I like it. I'm like very critical of overnight lip masks because I want them to work and I want my lips to be so dry, so nice. I want my lips to be like super moisturized in the morning. I like cannot go to bed without putting a lip balm on, hi bud, or a lip mask. Next we have a package from one of my favorites, Pixi. They always crush it with their packaging and products, and they always just send like the cutest stuff. You guys know how Pixi is. Oh my gosh, and this is no different. They win for like cutest PR. They should win an award, like a packaging award or something. Look at this. It says on the go blush, on the glow, excuse me, blush, tinted moisture stick. That is so cute. How does this open? Oh my gosh, that is adorable. Twist, swipe, and glow. So it's the same packaging as the actual product. That is so stinking cute. It looks like a little deodorant. It says give a dash of color for a healthy glow for a look that's soft and sweet wherever you go. So we have 3 colors: Juicy, which is like a peach, Fleur, which is like a light pink, and then we have Ruby, which is more of a hot pink. So we're definitely going to try these out. It is a tinted moisture blush, so it's going along nicely with the more cream blush trend, especially for summer. So I really want to see how these work and how they are on my skin. I'm excited about these. This is so cool, and I finally got a makeup item to try out, so we will test these. Let me know if you guys have tried these, and literally the cutest packaging ever. Oh my goodness. Pixi does it again. They always crush it. I was not expecting this. This is so funny. This is actually a Dollar Tree item from a brand that is available at Dollar Tree, and I forgot that they reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try these, and I have received something from them before. It is called Gummy Fun Mix, and this is like a little candy. It says Tropical Fish Party. That is so funny. They sent me a bunch in here. Let's see. You can also get it at Family Dollar. That is too cute. So they're all this little fish party gummy. So if you guys like gummy bears or gummy fish and you want to try them out, head over to Dollar Tree if you want to look for this at your Dollar Tree. So cute. Thank you so much. It's by the Gummy Factory. So thank you, Gummy Factory, for sending over this giant fun box of gummy fish. That is so cute. So that is everything, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this fun unboxing. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I love doing these with you guys so we can see what's new in like skincare and makeup and hair care. So thank you so much to you guys for watching, to all the brands for sending these products for me to test out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!